Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing the BOSE metallic K50 ULTRA earbuds. So we have this highly anticipated BOSE metallic K50 ULTRA earbuds. So let's get these unboxed and see what's inside. The package immediately suggests quality. It's a minimalist black box with a subtle metallic sheen, perfectly fitting the metallic name. It feels robust and well protected. Lifting the lid, we are greeted by the charging case, which is truly striking. It has a beautiful brushed metallic finish that feels cool and solid in the hand, a definite premium touch. Opening the case reveals the K50 Ultra earbuds, and the earpieces themselves features a sleek, almost brushed design, maintaining that professional metallic aesthetic, and they look subtle yet lightweight, which is very good for comfort. Underneath the main tray, we find the accessories compartment, which includes a comprehensive fittings kit and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips and 3 additional ear hooks for secure placement, an essential perfect fit. We also have a durable and braided USB charging cable and a quick start guide. So that's everything we find inside this metallic K50 Ultra earbuds and the premium charging case. The charging case looks very premium and a variety of accessories you will receive. The sound quality I will explain in my review video, but overall it's a great product and Bosch quality is amazing.